Hey you guys, we are going to show you all about this fun foil craft. We love to do crafts and art projects around here, so this is going to be really fun. We haven't had a craft like this before, so I'm excited to see how this is going to work. This has 20 picture foam canvases. These are double-sided backgrounds that we can choose from. They're thick but also slick to the touch. These are going to hold up so much better than just using normal type of paper. Some googly eyes, some puffy stickers, as well as multicolored foils to choose from. It also gives us some instructions. So first we are going to select which canvas we want to create on. Carefully pull out your sticker. See how there's lines to indicate different parts of the lion? Yeah. Kind of bend that foam and it'll separate that paper so that you can only peel off a certain section at a time. Pull off your sticker part. Some of the sections are actually separated with that sticker, which is helpful so that you can have different colors differentiating your animal. Firmly press it against your sticker. Put shiny side of the foil up. You peel your foil off. Are you kidding? And it stays. Is that so cool? That's awesome. Once your eyes are on there, go ahead and peel the back of the sticker off. Now put your lion where you want him. This kept us busy for hours. My kids didn't want to stop crafting with this set, and I can totally understand as this is super fun even for myself. It's simple to do, and once you get the hang of it, you can really get creative with the designs you make. There's plenty of foil and in a variety of colors and designs and so many pieces that all four of us and even my toddler at times had plenty to create with. This is such a great crafting kit. It comes with everything you need to start crafting right away. This could be taken on the go, on a road trip, or even just used at home. This is going to be something we keep on hand for crafting because it is so much fun and so entertaining. We are so glad this was gifted to us from the seller to tell you all about because it is totally worth it. We love it and we highly recommend it.